In today's video, I'm going to show... What? Hang on just a second. Have you seen the remote?
Which one?
For the fan. I got it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your remote control fan smart. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you. And in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new smart home product that allows you to connect to existing products like your ceiling fan that use a IR or RF signal. So this product is called the Bond. So Bond will directly connect to your Wi-Fi, and then you can control your ceiling fan via the app, or you can use your smart speaker like the Google Home or the Amazon Alexa. Now you can connect up to 6 different remote controlled devices to one Bond device. So let's set this up and show you how it works. So here in the box, it says it works with ceiling fans. There is a Android app as well as a iOS app. And then here you have the Bond device with the power cable, and that's all that is required to get this set up. So let's plug it in and then connect through the app. All right, so I have my fan turned on up here. I have the Bond device over here, and now I am going to open the Bond application. Now that I'm in the Bond application, I am going to create an account. Now that I've created my Bond account, I'm going to select the plus up here in the top left, allow it to access my information. Today I am using Android, so the setup on the iOS device may be slightly different, but here it is going to connect me to Bond. So I'm going to select the Bond network, and then I'm going to add my Wi-Fi to the Bond. So here it's searching for the network, and then I choose the network that I want it to connect to. And then once I add the Wi-Fi password, it will connect the Bond to my Wi-Fi. And once it is connected, the Bond device will turn blue. Right now it is downloading an update, installing it, and preparing the Bond to work on your network. And there it has finished. So now I want to add my device. So I'm going to add my ceiling fan right here in the family room. So today I'm just going to be using the ceiling fan. There are many other products that your Bond will connect to in the future. So there's air conditioner, electric fireplace, motorized shades, humidifier, motorized windows, smoke detector, carbon monoxide doorbell, to name a few. So those will be coming soon. So I'm going to select ceiling fan. We can see the check mark over there. I select next. And now I'm going to be using the remote to pair with the app on what functions the remote has so that it is able to control them. When controlling, you do need to be within 2 feet of the Bond device. And now we wait till that starts flashing, and I'm going to hold down the power button on my remote. And then once it turns green, I can let go. And this remote does use 3 speeds. So now it says done. We found your remote. Please test the functions by pressing the buttons below. So in the app, it's having me run through all the options that the remote has to see if it's my remote. So here, if I press speed 1, we can see that the fan turns on and it is working. Then I can press the light. There it turned off the light. I can turn on the light again. And there it turns on. I've gone through and everything works, and at the bottom I just need to select, yes, this is my remote. And now it is saving those commands to your Bond. Now our device is added, so I can just go through and easily tap speed 3. It changes to speed 3. I can tap the light. It will turn it on and off, and then I can press power and it would turn it off. Up here at the top you can edit, so if I want to remove any of those, maybe they just aren't compatible, like my lights don't dim, I can adjust those right there and remove those so they're not showing up. Then if I want to change any more settings, I have the settings at the top, and I can change the name right here. So I'm going to name this family room light. And then I can also add the location it's in. So here, this one is in the family room. Now that that works, let's add it to our Google Home. Now to add it in the Google Home, I am going to do it on this iPhone. Just go into the menu of the Google Home app in the top left, go down here to Home Control, and then we are going to add a new device. So right down here in the bottom right, select Add New Device, and then I'm going to search through this list and find Bond. Right there, Bond Smart Home. And then I will need to sign into my account and link my device. Once I sign in, I just need to select Authorized, giving access from my Google Home. If you're using Amazon Alexa, you will just need to go add the skill in the Amazon Alexa app. So now I can assign a room. Now we have two options here. I have family room light, because I can control the light, or I have family room light, so it actually can control the fan. So I can adjust the names right here, and now I can assign a room. We go family room again. And now under the home control settings, we can see that under Bond Smart Home, we have the fan and we have the light. Now we can actually go in here and change the nickname. So I'm gonna name this family room light. And then I'm gonna add it to the family room room. Here we go, family room room. And then the other light, I'm actually going to change, and then I'm just gonna name this fan. And it is in the family room as well. And then on my Google Home to sync, I would just need to say, hey Google, sync my devices.
Okay, syncing devices for Bond Smart Home and Wemo.
Hey Google, turn on the fan.
Sure, turning the family room light on.
Hey Google, turn on family room light. And there you can see that they will work independently. Now that I have the Bond all set up and connected to my Google Home, I can easily turn off the device, I can turn off the fan or the light, and then I can also turn off the entire room or group depending on what smart home device I'm using. Hey Google, turn off the family room. And there you go.
Turning 3 things off.
All the lights in the room are now off. And then if I want to turn the room back on, hey Google, turn on the family room.
Sure, turning on 3 things.
And then if you want to turn off a single device, you would just need to call out that device. Hey Google, turn off the fan.
Sure, turning the fan off.
And there it turned off the fan. A few other things that you should know about the Bond device is it will work within a 2,500 square foot home. So if you have other devices close by, it would be able to control them. And again, you can control up to 6 different devices. Now, if this fits your needs, it is totally worth a product to get. So here in my parents' house, they didn't want to install a new ceiling fan. So the Bond device is perfect because it already works with what they already have. You easily just plug in the Bond and you're ready to go. Connect to your Wi-Fi, connect to your smart home devices. Very easy to set up. If you guys have any further questions about the Bond device, please let me know in the comments below. And if this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I'm going to help you learn all about your smart home to your smartphone. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.